It's Amanda the Nail Polish Hound and welcome to this mid-year freak-out tag video. This is a nail polish edition which was created by Wild Moon Lacquer, and the last person I saw do this tag was Gucci del Taco. I will list both of their channels in the description bar below, as well as all the questions for this tag if you want to join in. But before we start on the questions, I just want to quickly show you what's on my nails in this video. I'm wearing a China Glaze Guava Mama from their Summer 2021 Havana Nights collection. I've topped it with A Star Is Born by Essence, and then over the top of that I put a matte top coat. I used Wicked's matte top coat for this, and I think it gives a still bright and summery but a little bit more subtle vibe. So back to the tag video, the first question was what is the best polish that you've worn so far? And I found this really difficult to pick out just one. There's lots of beautiful polishes that I've worn, but I do really love Fata Morgana by Cirque Colours. Just love the subtle shimmer in this one and those little scattered hollows twinkling away. It's not new to me or new this year, but it is a beautiful polish. Next question, what new releases haven't you worn yet but you want to? And the first one is Cirque Colours Bitchin. Again, you've got that same sort of shimmer in there with the very fine scattered holographic in it, and I love purple nail polish. I saw Nika of Nika's Naughty Nails wear this one and I just had to buy it despite my no buy. Whilst I was on the website for that one, I saw this Colores de Carol. It's called Where My Peeps At, and I was just intrigued by this. It's so unusual with those yellow to almost neon green glitters in there. Really interested to wear this one and see how it looks on the nails. Then we have a very special polish by Restored by Polish. This one's called Hero and it's from Polish Pickup, June 2021, and I haven't got around to wearing this bit yet, but I do have a mani in mind for it. Then we have Ada's Nails from their Spring Crellies collection this year, and this one's called Pamela. Just really pretty flakies in this one, and I'm really looking forward to trying this one out, even though it is a bit more of a spring colour. And then we've got Left My Heart in Havana, which is another one from that new China Glaze collection. I'm about halfway through swatching these, and I'm also going to do a bit of a comparisons video to go with that, so that video will be coming up soon. And the next question is what was or is your most anticipated release of 2021? And for me it has to be the Holo Taco Pastel Rainbow collection. To be honest with you, I could have put one of these polishes in most of these categories, but then it would have been a very boring video for you. But I do really love this collection. It's really beautiful and the holographic is stunning on it. I'll be talking about one more of these polishes later on in this video. The next question is what has been your biggest disappointment so far? And my biggest disappointment is this polish by Zoya. It's called Marley and it was sent to me by Nika, and the reason why it was a disappointment is because it's such a pretty colour. I really loved it, the formula was good, and even these swatch pictures look fine, but actually when they were on my nails and I was looking at it, there was something that didn't quite gel with me. I wasn't keen on it on my nails in real life, so unfortunately this one had to be destashed, but I have passed it on to somebody else who I know loves it. The next question is what has been your biggest surprise? And my biggest surprise this year was Coral Chaser from Holo Taco, and it almost put me off buying the whole collection because I know that I cannot normally wear coral nail polishes, but I like this one and it goes well with my skin tone. It looks beautiful and really holographic even under indoor lighting, but when you get this one outside it is absolutely incredible on the nails, and such a strong holographic. Becomes a lot deeper and richer in colour, but I really love it. So this one was my biggest surprise of the year. Next we have what is your favourite new or new to you brand, and new to me this year, and I'd never had any of these before, is Tonic Nail Polish. I've been after them for a while. First of all, I picked up a couple from a D stash. The first is Imagine, and then I also was lucky enough to receive Light of Lyra as a gift from Anna, and it is as beautiful as it always looked in everybody's swatch pictures. And the second one that I picked up in that same D stash was Because, and this is such a pretty looking colour. I am looking forward to using this one. It's a little sheer, but I think I will find a complementary colour to put it over the top of. The next question is what polish has made you happy, and again, most of my polishes make me happy, and if they don't, they end up in my D stash. So here's just a couple of examples. I wore Barry M's Holographic Moon again. Really love this subtle holographic polish. It's a lovely palette cleanser and I really enjoy wearing that one. And then some people won't count it as a polish, but this lovely topper by Colorista Carol, it's called Iridescence, and it was a polish pickup from January 2021, and I've worn this one several times already, and it looks lovely in its original matte finish as well as with a glossy top coat. The next question is what is the most beautiful bottle of polish you have bought so far? So the most beautiful one I think is Emily de Molly's Be the Solution, and you can't pick up under standard lighting just how incredible this holographic polish is. So I've included a picture here for you that really does show how much it sparkles. Then we have what is your favourite YouTube nail polish channel or channels, and I watch quite a lot of people's channels, so what I've listed here is the people who I always watch their videos. And the first one is a lovely Nika of Nika's Naughty Nails. I will put all of the links to these channels down in the description bar below. The second one is Louise of Loopy Frog. Then we've got George of George's Nails. We've got Claire Gray, who hasn't made any videos in a while, but hopefully at some point she will get back into making videos again. But if you want to go and have a look at her channel, she has got a lot of videos on there, so you can go and binge watch if you want. And then we've got the lovely Amy of Nail Polish Baby 90. And last but very much not least, we have Krista and Jacqueline from Restored by Polish. Jacqueline is the maker of the Restored by Polish nail polishes. As you saw earlier in this video, Hero was made by her, and I love their videos. They're so refreshing. It's like sitting down and having a chat with your friends over nail polish. I really enjoy those, so do go and have a look at their channel as well. Final question is what is your favourite mani of the year so far, and this mani that I did as a mani swap with Nika right at the beginning of the year was my favourite. It was just so comfy feeling, and it gave me really relaxed vibes, but my favourite mani according to the number of likes on Instagram is this one that I did with the new Holo Taco collection. And this mani was done as part of the Glams Nail Challenge in April of this year. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.